Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook pixels with your store in Storeino.com. First of all, you need to go to the applications and then search for the Facebook pixel application here, as you can see, and then go ahead and activate the application. After you activate the application, go back to the marketing button here, as you can see, and then click on Facebook pixels. Here, as you can see, this is the page that will show up. Go ahead and click on add new, and then as you can see here, we have the ad account name, we have the pixel ID, we have the conversion, and we have the advanced options. Click on the advanced options, and as you can see, we have the access token of the conversion API, and of course we have the test mode, etc. So all this information need to be filled. First of all, we have to add the name of this account here, as you can see. Then we have to actually add the pixel ID. Go to your business manager or your Facebook business manager, and then click on events manager here, as you can see. Click on events manager and wait like a few seconds so that the page will show up. And then after it shows up here, as you can see, go ahead on your left and click on data sources here, as you can see. And then on your Facebook pixels here, as you can see, go to the settings. And first thing that will show up here is the pixel ID. As you can see here, this is the pixel ID. Click on this number so it will be copied, and then go back to Storeino and then paste the ID here, as you can see. Now we need the access token of the conversion API. All you need to do is go to the same page, go down below, as you can see here, go down below, and then click on this here, as you can see. This is the button that we need, generate access token. As you can see, click on it and wait a few seconds. Then click on this token here so it will be copied. Then go back to Storeino and then paste it down here, as you can see. And then, of course, if you want to use the test mode to see if your events and your pixel account is connected, etc., go ahead and click on active test mode here, as you can see. And now we need the code of the test mode. Go back and then click on test events here, as you can see, and then we will need to actually copy this number here, as you can see, this code. Click on it and then go back to Storeino once again and then paste the code. This option is only used, for example, if you want to test the events or to test if the events are working. And then click on this button here so that the pixel account will be activated immediately. And then after you are done with all these information, just go ahead and click on submit. As you can see, it was added successfully to our store, and it was connected immediately and activated immediately to our store. Of course, if we want to actually deactivate the test mode, all you need to do is click on this button here, the edit button here, as you can see, and then deactivate the test mode. And then once again, just click on submit so that the changes will be updated. And just like that, your pixels account, your Facebook pixels account is now linked and activated with your store in Storeino.com. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.